Hi friends, and welcome back to the Supersonic Flyer. I'm Ame Cet. Today we're gonna talk all about AME JEE entrance examination. So, if you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future update. Without wasting our time, we're gonna explore all about AME JEE entrance examination. So, let us explore. What is AME JEE entrance examination? AME JEE entrance examination is examination that is claimed by private organization or private entities who claims that they will provide you scholarship and counseling on the topmost colleges of India, that is based on the AME JEE colleges. So we're gonna explore official website. So let us explore. This is the official website of AME JEE entrance examination. So we can see a notice here that AME JEE 2020 examination has been postponed. Next examination date will be announced as per further notice. So let us explore more about this website. Examination fee for AME JEE 2020 is 1000 rupees for male candidate and OBC category, 800 rupees for female candidate of all categories for SC and ST. Exam will be based on 10+2 PCM, that will be based on general ability tests, which consist of English and PCM, physics, chemistry, math. So, it is mandatory to give AME JEE examination? No, this is not required to give this examination to enter in any AME colleges in India that is approved by Dgca. So, I am giving you the proof. Dgca has announced a notice. So, it's notice about entrance test AME JEE and JEE AME for the admission in Dgca approved AME institute by private entities, that is private organization. So, what the Dgca said, this is the notice of 18th April 2019. So, what Dgca said? All concerned that these claims are false and illegal, as Dgca has neither mandated nor prescribed, approved, authorized any entity, any agency, any private organization to conduct any entrance test for admission to Dgca approved AME institute. So it's clearly written here that entrance examination is not required to enter any AME colleges in India. So this is the summary of the video, that it is not mandatory to give AME JEE for admission in any college of Dgca in India. You can go directly to the college for direct admission. College also provides the scholarship exam, not an entrance exam. They will provide you a scholarship exam. On merit wise, you can get some scholarship in many of the colleges of India. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future update. Please follow me on the Instagram, that is Ame Cet, and my channel page is isupersonic. Thanks for the watching. Stay tuned.